Course content can be made up of folders and subfolders, multiple file types, text, media, web links, tests, and interactive tools. There are many different ways to create, add, and organize content for a course. Faculty can assemble and organize content in a content area, learning module, lesson plan, or content folder. Content can also be added, deleted, and edited, as well as organized using the course menu and control panel. Numerous options exist for storing and deploying course content in Blackboard. Content areas exist in the course menu by default, but faculty can create additional content areas if needed. While in the edit mode, you should begin from the course menu. Click on the course menu item, Course Content, which is a content area. On the action bar, hover over the Build Content tab. The Build Content drop-down menu reveals a number of options to create or add content. These options include Item, which is any type of file, text, image, or link that appears to users in a content area, learning module, lesson plan, or content folder. File, which is any file that can be selected and viewed as a page within a course or as a separate piece of content in a separate browser window. Audio, image, and video files, which are different multimedia types. Web link, which is a shortcut to a web-based resource or website address. Learning module, lesson plan. Syllabus, which is a pre-made template used to include such course information as course goals, instructor contact information, assignments, and class meetings. Course link, and a content package, which is a zip file that contains content formatted in such a way that it can be easily imported into Blackboard. One can also add a new page, such as content folder, module page, or blank page, or a mashup, such as a Flickr photo or a YouTube video. In this demonstration, let's see how to add content by creating an item. From the Build Content tab, hover over Item and click on it. You will be prompted to include content information, so provide a name identifying the item by typing in the empty box. You can also include a description or set of instructions in the text box editor just below if you wish. You may notice that within the text box editor interface, there are a number of icon choices along with basic formatting options that permit you to add a variety of content types, including inserting various types of media files, specialized math equations, mashups, icons, tables, HTML files, as well as an opportunity to record a web video. Scroll down to the number 2 option, Attachments. You have the opportunity to upload content as an attached file. You can retrieve the file from its current location by clicking on the Browse My Computer button if it's on your computer, or the Browse Content Collection button if that's where it's located. For now, I'm going to attach a file from my computer. From the number 3 option, Standard Options, you can establish certain settings such as content availability, whether or not to track the number of views for this content, and even set date restrictions. When completed, please click on the Submit button. This item now appears in the Content area. Rather than simply adding content as a long list, you can and should consider how you structure your course by customizing the menu and using folders. Best practices is to structure your course so that its organization, logic, and flow is clear to your students. You can learn more about these in the lessons on Course Menu and organizing your course. This tutorial demonstrated several ways to add content to a Blackboard course.